By 2026, YouTube generates $40 billion a year in ad revenue while serving 3 billion monthly users. Look at this pie chart tracking where those billions of views actually come from. You can see that 70 software using model context protocols and prompt-based editing can ingest 3 hours of raw interview footage and output a polished, color-corrected rough cut in under 20 minutes. Node-based workflows let editors remove objects, clean up audio, and reframe subjects almost instantly. Because barriers to high-end production collapsed, the platform is saturated. Timelines are filled with artificially perfect, hyper-optimized videos churned out at an industrial scale. When millions of channels can generate flawless 4K video with a simple text prompt, reaching the monetization thresholds requires a completely different strategy. The most successful channels bypass the noise by looking directly at real-time autocomplete data. They analyze the exact phrases viewers are actively typing into the search bar. Adding a simple asterisk to a search query branches out to reveal hundreds of highly specific, long-tail phrases. Applying strict parameters, high relevancy, and low difficulty strips away useless variations, leaving a handful of exact phrases with high search volume and low competition. Creators then feed those precise search terms directly into their AI editing agents, instructing the software to structure the video's narrative arc to answer exactly what the viewer wants to know. Generating content this efficiently solves the visibility problem. However, relying so heavily on automation exposes channels to a massive risk hidden in the platform's updated terms of service. To combat the spread of synthetic media, YouTube rolled out strict new AI disclosure rules in 2026. The policy requires creators to explicitly label their uploads if the video contains realistic AI-generated voices, visually altered physical footage, or synthetic depictions of historical events. If a viewer could reasonably mistake the content for reality, the artificial elements must be disclosed in YouTube Studio before hitting publish. To enforce this, the platform automatically scans every single upload during the processing phase. These detection tools analyze the file for hidden anomalies and can identify synthetic media accurately 99% of the time. Creators who attempt to bypass the labels face immediate consequences. First offenses trigger an automatic label overlay and formal warning. Repeated violations lead to invisible suppression in the algorithm, channel strikes, and total demonetization. The same computational power creators use to optimize their workflow is now acting as a strict audit system, forcing absolute honesty across the platform. This policy is a direct response to the economic influence of Generation Alpha. As the oldest members approach adulthood, they wield $28 billion in direct spending power. These teenagers have never known a world without smartphones, voice assistants, or machine learning. They have grown up completely immersed in algorithmic content curation. Native to this technology, they easily recognize artificial scripts and formulaic editing. They demand raw human authenticity, making them immune to cheap synthetic tricks. Uploading an overly sanitized, entirely synthetic video to this demographic is a massive mistake. They will simply navigate away in the first few seconds, dropping your watch time and signaling the algorithm to stop recommending your channel. The channels that actually thrive in 2026 operate as hybrids. They embrace the speed of modern technology while fiercely protecting their human connection with the audience. They use machine learning to process raw data and manage tedious tasks, delegating the software to automatically grade color profiles, run A/B tests on thumbnails, and generate accurate transcriptions. But the core of the video, the unique perspective, the personal values, and the actual on-camera delivery remains strictly human. By providing genuine insights that an algorithm cannot fake, these creators build actual viewer loyalty, smoothly crossing the required thresholds of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Qualifying for the partner program is just the entry point. Because ad revenue is highly variable, building a resilient channel requires a much wider financial strategy. This stacked bar chart breaks down a healthy monetization strategy. AdSense sits at the bottom as a baseline, with larger, more reliable layers built on top through premium brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing deals, and direct channel memberships. Brands do not pay premium rates to sponsor an automated video factory. They pay to access an engaged audience that trusts the creator's opinion. The same applies to viewers paying monthly subscription fees. They are investing in the person, not the production value. Artificial intelligence will continue to accelerate how fast we can produce videos. But as synthetic content floods the internet, honesty is the only true variable that actually builds an audience.